Hi! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Pencil Sketch Action for Photoshop. First of all, open a large image. Preferably size between 2K to 4K. Make sure images RGB, 8 bits channel, and not transparent. Make a new layer, and name it Brush. Letters are case sensitive, and it must be all lowercase. Go to the downloaded folder, and double-click Action and Brush files to load them to Photoshop. After loading them, make sure they have loaded successfully. Now, choose Hard Rounded Brush, and brush over body area in the created layer. Make sure brush tool opacity is 100%. After brushing the selected area, go to Action, and play it. It would take several seconds to complete. Now it's finished, and you can replay the effect on other pictures. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.